veteran Blessed Cde Geza, popularly known as Comrade Bombshell, is held Vice President Chiwenga for his bold stance against corruption and alleged misrule within President Emmerson Mnangagwa's administration. Geza said, Chiwenga's recent remarks reflect a growing national awakening and a renewed courage among those who once backed the ruling establishment. Salamina Masho kubda panguva ine, Comrade Geza achipraiza VP Constantino Chiwenga nezvavari kuita kufighta corruption. Global subscribe or like on the bell kuchenda mbele na mobile nyumba mchinzini. In a statement issued on October 17, Geza vowed that the ongoing campaign to remove Mnangagwa from power will not stop until the people's struggle for freedom was complete. He commended Zimbabweans who participated in the latest demonstrations, calling their actions a decisive step toward reclaiming the nation's destiny. Good afternoon, family of Zimbabwe. I'm yours, Blessed Cde Geza, Comrade Bombshell. He said, we thank you for taking to the streets across the whole country. You have listened to our plea that the rule of Emmerson must end. Geza likened the current struggle to Zimbabwe's liberation war, urging unity and resilience. No one else can end this except us, the family of Zimbabwe. The same way we ended the rule of Ian Smith and Robert Mugabe, in the same way we will end Mnangagwa, he said. Geza's remarks come amid the rising speculation over growing friction between Mnangagwa and his deputy Chiwenga. In the recent months, the vice president has increasingly distanced himself from Mnangagwa's faction within ZANU-PF, reportedly aligning with disgruntled war veterans and security officials who accused the president of corruption, nepotism, and the betrayal of the liberation ideals. Down with corruption. We want the wealth of the country to benefit everyone, not just a few, Chiwenga said, in the remarks that Geza praised as a sign of the people's voices are beginning to echo from within the system itself. Political observers believe that Chiwenga, who led the November 2017 military intervention that brought Mnangagwa to power, has in recent months become increasingly isolated from the president. His calls for clean governance, equitable wealth distribution, and respect for the liberation legacy are being viewed as part of a broader strategy to reset military and nationalist influence within ZANU-PF. Ndo mashoko aripo muri Zimbabwe ari kuda aitaurwa panapa naComrade Bombshell Geza panguva ino achipraisa nekusapota VP Constantino Chiwenga kuti varamba vakadzvanya. Pinango musection medu mudzimavhunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitwa ichi. So subscribe or like achitonga bell icon.